Be demoing our final project for eecs497, and that is the teletrader platform. I will be starting off the demo with showing off our login and register page. Our team consists of Emery, Patrick, Kifin, and I, Mohammed. And the main goal of our platform is to connect both laypeople and tradespeople to solve a non-trader's issue. So, for example, if a layperson has an issue with their car, they can request help from a mechanic to solve their issue. So I will be starting off first with the login page. So I have already created an account beforehand with the username Trader Joe and the password hi123 by123, and because this is correct information, this will log me into the account successfully. And then we also have a logout button which logs me out. And on the login page, we kept it minimalistic to make it easy for a user to log in. So it just requires a username and password, and then also has a link to register in case you don't already have an account. So we'll go back, and for if here instead I input wrong information. So in password such as hi, I will reach an error page which will tell me to try again. Now moving on to the register page, I will show how to register for an account in case you don't have an account. So it requires information such as username, first name, last name, bio, profession, trader, password, and password confirmation. The trader checkbox creates two different accounts. So if you check mark the trader box, then it will create an account for a trader, somebody who will help with the average person's request. And then if you keep the mark unchecked, you will create a non-trader account, which will be able to request help from traders. So in this example, we'll create a non-trader account, and I'll keep the name Average Joe. The first name will be Joe, last name Smith, and a simple bio could be I am not a trader, and the profession, for example, could be a doctor. And in this case, we'll leave the trader box unmarked because they are not a trader. And for our password, we have some checks in place to make sure the password is secure. So for example, the password can't be too similar to their username. It can't be less than 8 characters. It has to be a unique password, so it can't be commonly used, and it can't be entirely numeric. So first we'll start off, I'll show you how this validation works in terms of checking for the password confirmation. So I will input two different passwords in these boxes. In this case, I'll type in fizzbuzz123, and I will input for the confirmation hi. And here we should see an issue. Here it tells us that we haven't entered the same password as before, so we need to put in the password information. So now I'll put in a password that meets the criteria and is similar, and for this I'll use the password fizzbuzz123, and then again I'll type the same password, and it should allow us to log in successfully. And here now we're brought to the dashboard page. Now I'll hand it off to Patrick to talk about the non-trader page. Thank you.